What are you doing? You're eating chips? What happened to your chicken? And your hash browns, where'd they go? Can you jump? Hey, come here. Can I see your belly? Can you show me your belly? Where's your belly? Let's see your belly. No, let me see your belly. You do it. You pull up your shirt. Show me your belly. Too many chips in your mouth. Pull up your shirt. Let me see your belly. See, that's part of my rash, Daddy. Everything else is covered up with Band-Aids. Daddy, where are you? He's not there. We're gonna send this to him so he can see you. Say, Daddy, send a video back. Say bye, Daddy.